Hi there, it's Sam Mackay from Enterprise DNA. In the next 2 minutes, I want to show you why you should register for the next Enterprise DNA Learning Summit if you are looking to master Power BI. The summit's going to run over 3 days and have 6 live training sessions in total. If you want to learn Power BI or master Power BI, then there's going to be content and material and resources available during this summit that is going to get you there, is going to get you to that intermediate to advanced level in Power BI. The data scenario we're working with is a organization which sells something in the Florida region in the US, and we're going to analyze a lot of things around how sales are performing, what are the profits, what are the margins that the organization is achieving. We're going to be able to break that down over different time frames. We're going to be able to dive into different brands and the performance of the brands, and we're going to be able to, within this development of this report, I'm going to show you all the different things that go into making this report. As we do that, you're going to learn how you can do this yourself, and that's the key thing. You're going to be able to, after the summit, you're going to be able to look at the resource, come to the live sessions, view the replays, and you're going to be able to develop really high quality Power BI reports just like this one, and that's the key. So we're going to do some information on just quarterly highlights in this case. We're also going to dive into lots of other various different analytical scenarios that you can analyze well in Power BI. So we've got some financial information, so this is for all the finance professionals or accountants. We're also going to do some predictive analysis, so predict what might happen if, say, demand increased or costs decrease, what that actually does to our underlying profits in the business. We're going to do some budgeting analysis, go through some of that. We're going to really dive into our customers, trying to analyze what's actually going on with our customers, and we're going to finish off the last session of the 6. We're going to dive into attrition analysis. All details can be found at the registration page. There'll be a link available for you to select on that, but I highly recommend, if you want to really master Power BI, this is going to be a superb event to learn practical ways that you can develop really high quality models, reports, solutions in Power BI, and it's all free and it's all virtual. So anyone around the world can come and learn a lot about Power BI. So really want to see you there. Look, have thousands already registered for the event, so you'll be in very good company. I look forward to seeing you on the live calls.